Hello, my name is Sophia Barnard, and this is my final statistics project on car crashes. So I chose this data set because car crashes can cause very fatal accidents and even deaths, and I was curious what the ratio of car crashes in the Northwest versus the Southwest was, and if these were different at all. And why this is important to me is because I've been a driver in many of the Northwest as well as the Southwest states, including California and Idaho mainly, so this would directly impact me. Some stats that I found were that Montana is actually said to be the most dangerous state for drunk driving. Wyoming has a car crash death rate of 22 per 100,000 people, and traffic fatalities in California decreased approximately 2% from 2021 to 2022. So my question is going to be, is there a significant difference between the fatal collisions in the Northwest versus Southwest? So my mu1 is going to be the mean for the Northwest states, and mu2 is going to be the mean for the Southwest states. My Northwest states are going to be Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming. And my Southwest states are going to be Arizona, New Mexico, California, Nevada, Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas, and Utah. So for my statistics, my mean for the Northwest states is 15.5, my sample is 5 for that, and my standard deviation is 4.2. Whereas for the Southwest states, my mean is 15.99, my sample is 8, and my standard deviation is 3.48. So my hypothesis tests, for null hypothesis, mu1 is equal to mu2, and for my alternate hypothesis, mu1 is not equal to mu2. So because I said mu1 is not equal to mu2, we're going to be doing a two-tailed test, so that would mean I'm using a t-distribution, and for that my degrees of freedom are going to be 4. My test value is negative 0.218, and my corresponding p-value is 0.838. So according to these statistics, I'm going to fail to reject the null hypothesis at an alpha value of 0.05. There is not enough evidence for me to conclude that there's a significant difference between fatal collisions in the Northwest versus the Southwest. So as you can see in this chart below, we have a very similar mean. And that is the end of my statistics project. Thank you for listening.